Hi to all. In this video, we are going to see about modern trends in design of electrical machines. It comes under Electrical Machine Design 18EE 55 Module 1. Okay, what is modern trends? Okay, the modern trends in design is nothing but latest technologies are used for the manufacturing or designing a motor or generator or transformer is called modern trends in design. Okay, let's see. Recent trends in electric machines are neural networks. Neural networks is a major role for the designing the machines. Artificial intelligence, this is also one of the major one which is used for designing the motors, generators and transformers. Expert systems, fiber communications, these are the fiber communications which will be used for communication, okay, purpose, uh, very fast, okay, and integrated electronics or superconductors. Superconductor, we know there is no losses in the conductor, then the type of conductors are called superconductors, and others new ceramic conducting and dielectric materials. Okay, these are the things are used in model trends in design. Okay, magnetic levitations, etc. should help young electrical engineers to develop newer, cheaper and more effective electrical energy converters and their controllers. Electrical energy converter is nothing but motor which will converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It's a converter. Likewise, generator, it's a mechanical energy into electrical energy. It's a converter. Okay, so cheaper and more effective electrical energy converters and their controllers. Among all the various forms of energy systems, electrical energy offers the most flexible, economic and efficient mode for generation, transmission and utilization, and has become the backbone of modern civilization. Okay, transmission, we have generate the power in generation that has to be transmitted to the consumers, either it may be a domestic customer or industry customers. For that, transmission is needed and utilization utilized by the domestic as well as industry peoples, and becomes the backbone of modern civilization. It provides for lighting, heating, transport and communications and practically all industry process. For all the purpose, for all the places we need electrical energy. Okay, most of the power required for human activities around the global continue to come from electrical machines. From the very large generators installed in power stations to the very small motors in automatic control systems. For all the places we need electrical energy. Okay, the need for keeping magnetic flux within the identical paths led to a large scale use of silicon iron steels. Okay, silicon steels we are using for a proper magnetic path. Is most electrical devices from large transformers and generators to small transducers. Everywhere we are using silicon steel stamplings. Okay, to reduce or to give a proper magnetic flux path. In the most electrical devices, large transformers and generators to small transistors. Hatfields and his colleagues were first demonstrated 1900 that additions of small amount of silicon or aluminum to the iron reduces the iron losses. Okay, in that 1900s. Okay, modern commercial electrical steels can be grouped under non-oriented, grain-oriented, and rapidly quenched alloy types. These are the types of modern steels which is used for motors, generators, and transformers. Because of the limitations of the shapes of the magnetic path, grain-oriented types are used predominantly in large power and distribution transformers. Okay, this one. Grain oriented will be used for large size of transformer, while non oriented in rotating machines are used. Okay, for the grain oriented will be used for um, that is transformers. Non oriented used for motor and generators. The silicon content is critical to the performance of electrical steels because it increases resistivity and reduces the astrometry and magnetostriction but decreases the saturation. For the decreases the saturation purpose, we are going for silicon steels. Okay, in non-oriented types, the content varies between 0 to 3%, while in the oriented type 2.9% to 3.2%. Okay, the continuous development of high permeability silicon steel, metallic glass, ferrites, aluminum, ceramics, and high temperature insulating materials, permanent magnetic materials like Neomax, ND, FEB, and rare earth cobalts has been influencing the construction and design of many large and small machines. So for the permanent magnet where we need, there we go for ND-FEB. Okay, like that. Areas which have revolutionary the growth of research on electrical machines could be grouped as availability of solid state devices. Solid state devices which will be power electronic devices will be used for machines of large current voltage handling capabilities and consequent growth of power electronics. The availability of cheap microprocessor based systems for operation and control. Okay, the development of artificial intelligence AI tools and expert systems for machine design, operation and control. The development of CAD CAM, computer aided design, computer aided machinery techniques. Today, single thyristor with maximum voltage rating of 12 kV, okay, and maximum current rating of 600 amps are commercially available, and devices with even larger ratings are in the anvil. Converters and inverters grade thyristors gate turn off the devices, triacs, asymmetric thyristors, power MOSFETs, power IGBTs have operated up new vistas of electric switching and control of energy. Naturally commutated inverters, both VSI, voltage source inverters, and current source inverter types use force commutations, high voltage DC transmissions. These are things will be present. Okay, to make the squirrel cage induction motor and as conventional separately excited DC motors, to to make the squirrel cage induction motor run as a conventional separately excited DC motor has remained the dream of generations of electrical engineers. Even the latest researchers in vector controlled V by F methods oriented control have not quite bridged the gap between the dream and the reality. Okay, further direct DTC, direct torque control, has simplified the control circuitry to a great extent. The availability of the cheap PP based systems have further revolutionized the control of electrical devices of all the forms for obtaining the desired steady state. Okay, transient as well as dynamic characteristics from the existing drive machines with the help of suitably designed solid state control circuits. Advances in AI, artificial intelligence, and developments of expert systems are already influencing the design of devices and systems as well as the healthy monitoring of operating machines and taking advanced actions against failures. So these are the major things which will be used in modern trends in design. One of the latest development in AC motor research um, has been direction of field oriented control or making AC motor perform like DC motors with highly accurate torque and power control. Okay, another recent trend AC motors called direct torque control and direct self control. This is no modeler and no need of encoders to feed back informations. Okay, now there is an increased level of customers supports with emphasis of just in time production downtime is unaccessible. With today's systems, if the machine goes down, one can via modem has to technicians remote use the diagnose the problem and solve the problem also. If you case in if we could erase history and start out with a clean state, there is no doubt that AC would be choice. But in the fact of the billions of dollars, DC investments